What's up, guys? I am gonna talk about Sui in this video, Sui blockchain, and everything on Sui, and what is gonna be the price prediction. In my opinion, what can be the high for Sui in this bull market? Okay, so if you guys appreciate this kind of content and price prediction and technical analysis, if you guys like technical analysis, I have been covering a lot of it in this page. And go ahead and subscribe right now, and please hit the like button right now. We're going to also talk about Bitcoin, and I'm going to give you a little bit of bearishness that I am seeing with Bitcoin because of this line. I already covered it in the last video, but let's see what we're going to do around this area. $100,000 is my key level to say that Bitcoin can still get support around here and start going higher. But if we go lower, guys, we can easily go back down to 95 to $96,000. We're going to talk about that as well. But let's talk about Sui. So a lot of you guys, Sui has been taking a lot of attention, as you guys see that it's not really retracing as much as a lot of other coins out there, because it has a very strong and cheap blockchain. And you guys can see that it is right now at 13 billion market cap, which is the ranking 13, number 13 in ranking in coin market cap. Okay, but 3 billion is this circulating supply. So which means every 3 billion that gets added to market cap, this coin goes up $1. Okay, I have explained to you guys how the price calculations are for any cryptocurrency out there. Okay, for Bitcoin, for anything else. Okay, right now it is on 421,000 people's accounts watch list. Okay, that is huge. And if you guys want to go to this page, I'm going to cover a lot of things, so you guys want to probably watch the whole thing. Okay, so these are two pages that you can read, and this is the scan, so you can see the transactions and everything in here. Okay, you can search about any coin that is on Sui. Okay, which means search anything on Sui, right? So any coin that is on that blockchain, you can go usually to the tags. Tags will take you to what this coin is on which type of category. Okay, so you guys can see that. I'm not going to talk too much about these. You guys can go do your own research on. None of these are financial advice, by the way, but ecosystem. So let's look at the ecosystem. So anything on Sui is in here. You guys can probably ask that why we are seeing Tether and USDC, because if we go to USDT, and if we go to all the contracts, these are the blockchains that you can transact USDT in all of these blockchains, but you got to make sure that you choose the right address. Okay, so all of these, and you can find Sui in here. Okay, maybe. Anyways, yes, there you go. We just saw it, but anyways, so but that's why Bonk is also on Sui and other blockchains, but it was mainly on Solana, and it started taking off, but they started adding this coin to more blockchains. I had showed you guys that you guys need to make sure that you are picking up some coins on Sui, because they're gonna take a lot of attention, and especially the meme coins, dexes. You want to, and DeFi's. You want to make sure that you pick up some that are in high market cap. I'm sorry, I'm not high market cap, on high volume, trading volume, 24-hour volume. And the less market cap, the better. Yes, the less market cap it is, the more riskier they are and less volume they have usually. But you can jump in before they start taking off. Okay, so you can see a lot of good projects in here. So I would not really buy something that is not having that much of volume. As you can see, Sui Llama, for example. Yes, it looks like a meme coin, but I would not buy it because it does not have that much of volume. So you can fail investing in this. Okay, as long as I'm not seeing that much of volume, I would not trust this. Okay, although it is on Sui, and yes, you can go to their Twitter and everything else. So let's talk about Bitcoin, and then I'm going to talk about how high Sui is going to go in this bull market. Okay, because it is already a 13 billion market cap, I am going to say that we can see at least 4, 5, 6 X's, but we're going to cover more as after this technical analysis for Bitcoin. So I am still seeing, I had showed you guys a long time ago, last month, I said, if we close this monthly candle for December as green, anything, I said that there's a good, very much similarity between these two. Yes, this is the bigger picture of this, but in here we closed red, but we still closed this one green. That's why you guys see that we went back within these two lines, and I said that this scenario can happen. So as long as we are going higher for BTC dominance, I am not going to say that altcoin season will start. Okay, you guys could see that we started dropping from 61 something percent down to 54 something percent, and a lot of altcoins started rallying. But after Bitcoin started, BTC dominance started going higher, everything started tanking again, especially after Trump coin and his wife's meme coins. Okay, so again, I'm not going to talk too much about it, but Bitcoin can go down. As I said, that this line in the previous video, I talked more about it, that this line has been a very good resistance for the last 3 cycles. 2017, we went all the way. And if we go to monthly chart, these would look like that every single candle, monthly candle, closed below this line. So I would not be surprised to, for now, get a double top. But it does not mean, as long as we do not break below $88,000, $89,000, I would not say that we're going to go a lot lower. Okay, so we can still have a long range and a boring range within these lines that we had. We can have another line for a while, but I would really like to see that we're going to break this month above this line, or any of the weekly candles. This is daily. Okay, so this is the question in everybody's mind. And a lot of you guys have not seen this line, but this is a very interesting view to see that if Bitcoin is going to be able to break, and every time you guys see that it has been failing. Okay, so I talked about the cup and handle pattern, but as you guys see, if we go lower, that's going to automatically cancel, as we saw a lot of a smaller cup and handle that failed before. Okay, so Sui, let's go back to Sui. Guys, if you look at the monthly chart, everything is just closing green, and that is very, very good. For like, a lot of the coins have not been able to perform this well. In the next video, I'm gonna probably talk about Caspa and other coins. Comment down below what coins you want me to cover, but please just mention one under every video. I'm gonna be starting covering more technical, I mean, not technical analysis, more price prediction for this bull run for your favorite coin, but mention only one, because I don't want to get overwhelmed, and I don't want to just start ignoring a lot of the comments. You know, I'm not going to ignore, but if it gets too many, I'm not going to be able to cover all of them. Okay, so just mention what coin you want me to cover. But right now, honestly, I would not be surprised that if we get a pullback for Sui. Okay, because we have been going up in these waves. Yes, higher highs and higher lows. That is very nice to see. But as you guys see, that is still because BTC dominance uh, looking upward. We can see Sui going in the market, and this is the market cap right now. So if the market cap goes down, we can see Sui losing almost 30–40%. Let's just look at the price rather than the market cap. Yeah, so this is the price right now. It is at $4.36. So I am looking at this support level that can be a good support. Okay, every time we can see that we had a couple of good waves, and this level can be a really good support. So around $4.19–20 can be a good support. And you guys see that the drop is not that heavily. It's just going to slowly zigzag down. And that is a good sign. When we virtually see a small drops like this, that means that Sui is, or any chart, any coin is holding good around that area. Okay, so but guys, if you want to go to the weekly chart, you guys see that it has gone. I'm not sure what was the lowest price for Sui, but let's just talk about like 36 cents. So from 36 cents, guys, it has done over 10x. Okay, but as I have said, bigger altcoins, guys, is not for everybody. It's not for bigger. It's not for smaller investors. because when you look at market cap, it needs to double. As I just said, every 3 billion that gets added to this coin, it only goes $1. So even if you put $10,000 into this, you have to wait until Sui adds another $3 billion. So your money is going to go 25%, almost less than 25% up. Okay, that would be almost $2,000, $2,000 or 2,500-ish. Okay, so the more money you put in bigger altcoins, the better it is, because they're not going to give that much ROI for you, return on investment. So that's why for for smaller investors like me and a lot of people, I would not suggest that you put your money into Sui, but you can, as I said, you can go to Sui ecosystem tag and look for smaller coins with smaller market cap, but it's still a lot of this. Well, this is just a USD coin, but a lot of coins are good to buy with, as long as they are over $100,000 or $150,000, depending on how much market cap they have. If, for example, if they are on the $32 million market cap, you cannot be okay with only 100, 200, 300, even anything less than a million volume, because the more market cap it has, that means the more people should be buying this, and more people should be trading that coin. Okay, so even if you go to this and you can just go to Sui scan, you should be able to see some information. Okay, I have showed you guys this long time ago in my other videos, but you see that over $25,000 are holding this coin, which means on blockchain, Sui blockchain, it tracks everybody who transacts any coin, any purchase they do. It does not matter if it's $1 or $100,000. It adds to the holder amounts or wallets numbers, basically. Okay, so you can have 10 wallets, and if you buy $1 worth of this coin, you're gonna add 10 numbers like 10 to this holder. Okay, so I hope it was hard to explain. I don't know why, but so as you guys see, these are all the information you want to see. So the higher the market cap is, the more money you need to put in to get more return for your money. Or in this world, you need to know that how much money is going to satisfy you. So this is just an example, so you guys can do a lot of research yourself. But let's talk about how much higher can we go. Okay, so because Sui is a new blockchain and it was not around in the previous cycle, so we need to just do a little bit of analysis and just compare it to, for example, Solana. So if you guys know that if you go to market cap in here, this is the price, this is the market cap chart. Okay, so in the previous bull market, Solana went almost to 78 billion market cap with almost $2.62 billion 24-hour trading volume. Okay, right now it is a lot higher because it has already broken above, and plus because it has released more coins. So that means that because the price wise, if you go to price, it's not actually that there's not that much difference. But as I said, as I explained to you guys how the calculation of the price of any coin is, this divided by this, market cap divided by circulating supply, and because of the circulating supply, the more that it grows and releases more coin or unlocks any coins, this market cap number has to go higher to have the same price as the previous bull market. So that's what you guys see. It is a lot higher, but we are around the same level of the price. Okay, so these are really good information everybody needs to know if they are in crypto. Okay, so that's why, and if we just consider that Sui is gonna, because it is its first bull cycle that is entering in, and same as Solana that had its own first bull cycle in the last cycle in 2021, which is topped around November, it went to market cap of 78 billion. Okay, so if we want to say that same thing is going to happen to Sui, and I'm going to go to Sui's market cap so we can compare that. If it goes to the same market cap, yes, the market has grown a lot more than before. So a lot more money has entered the market, but also a lot of newer coins have added. A lot of million, almost over 2.5 million coins are out there. So a lot more coins have been taking a lot of market cap away from each other. So there is a lot of competition. But even if we just put the uh, this line on, and let me turn this to black. Let's say if it goes to $78 billion, let's just say 70 billion, okay? It would be right up here. So it would almost do on the market cap, it would almost do 4x in the market cap. And if we want to just do a 4x for the price as well, and also, by the way, guys, as long as Sui does not unlock any coins, I don't have honestly that much information about the unlocking part of it, because it depends on the blockchain and depends on the coin, how the tokenomics are, and have everything else. You need to read about it yourself. But if we just do 4x from here, guys, okay, I need to go higher. Let's do a little bit of zoom out. So if you do 4x, guys, we can say $22. I just got rid of it. $22 would be, or even let's just say $21, guys. So $21 can be the top for Sui. As I said, we do not know, guys. It depends on how crazy and how much more attraction Sui can get comparing to the last bull run and Solana, and how Solana did. If they can do better than them, they can even beat it in the market cap. Okay, but let's just say $21 would be a price that I would say, yes, we can see Sui doing 4x even from here. Okay, so that is a fun video that I just wanted to make, but I usually cover technical analysis. So go ahead and subscribe and comment down below what you would like to see. We have been buying a lot of coins, guys. I have been telling my members, we have been DCA, and as I said, because BTC dominance and Ethereum, I showed you guys in the last video, go ahead and watch those. It is on the lowest point of the Ethereum BTC. So if it starts going higher, guys, you know, if Ethereum gets bullish, a lot of altcoins start rallying as well. Okay, so everything looks fine, although I am seeing a little bit of retracement for altcoins short term, but that is a good opportunity to buy. Okay, so when you see that a lot of people have been calling for buy the dip from even last year, you guys know that even if you bought the dip, you would have been still lower than what you bought the dip, right? So but I have been warning you guys with the coin, with the retracements, even around here when Bitcoin was going down short term, and a lot of altcoins started losing a lot of values, even though they started rallying with Bitcoin around this area. But as I said, it was not too late to get into altcoins. Now that we are buying, go ahead and join if the membership. Every link, everything is on the description. Subscribe. Please hit the like button. Comment down below what you want me to cover next, and I will see you in the next step.